Today's vehicles use shocks, struts, or both to help stabilize your ride as you turn, brake, accelerate, or drive on uneven road surfaces. Hard to imagine, but if the shocks or struts are not properly maintained, the wheels could actually bounce off of the ground, which can lead to loss of control and collision. Under normal conditions, it's common to replace them at 75,000 to 90,000 miles. But if often driven over roads with bumps or potholes, you could be looking at 40,000 or 50,000 miles or sooner. If you notice any of these 5 symptoms, it's time your shocks and struts may need replacing. First, you notice your vehicle never feels completely stable on the highway, constantly moving up and down. When taking a sharp turn on an off-ramp, your vehicle leans or tips to the outside of the turn and feels wobbly. The front end dives more than expected during hard braking or rises while the rear squats during hard acceleration. After hitting a bump, you can feel a tire or tires bouncing for a time and perhaps hear a clunking noise. And lastly, leaking fluid on the exterior of shocks or struts is a sign the seals have broken, allowing needed fluids to escape. If you observe any of these symptoms, it may mean it's time to bring it in and let us get it back to working and driving great.
Thanks for watching our video. Please give it a like and share it. Our fans and customers mean the world to us, and we are grateful for them. Trust Warren Secord Automotive Tire Pros with your vehicle.